We're here with Kurt Carlson of Transition Networks at the BICSI 2016 Fall Conference. And Transition, of course, was one of the recipients of our Cabling Innovators Awards. And Kurt, could you tell us a little bit about the project that won the award, and then also about what's new for Transition at the show here?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we were very excited to have a kind of an interesting project to submit for the award, and so it's pretty fun to be recognized for that project. We were working with a company called Park Assist that designs intelligent parking ramp systems, and they were utilizing our industrial Ethernet switches and serial device server products in the implementation of their systems. And so they used a variety of our products from Ethernet switches that come in that support a variety of PoE ports, PoE plus Ethernet ports, as well as fiber uplink ports, so they could deploy these units throughout their parking ramps. They are industrial rated, high temperature products, so they could be installed in those outdoor applications, and then be able to tie together their sensors that detect where cars are located, detect open parking spots in the ramps, to guide their customers efficiently through their parking ramps.
That's great, Kurt. Thanks for that. And now on to the new products for Transition that you were telling me about last night.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got a few on display on this countertop. I think Transition is probably well known in the industry for our copper to fiber media conversion products, and we still are constantly innovating with new products in the copper to fiber arena, but we're expanding a little bit beyond that as well to take advantage or help customers deploy alternative cable types as they are expanding their Ethernet networks. So what I've got on display here is an IP over coax product that will allow you to utilize some existing 75 ohm coax that might be in place from a previous analog security system. And if a customer was upgrading their security system from analog to IP, they can just replace those cameras with IP cameras and still utilize that coax cabling. So we've got a pair of media converters here that allow you to connect your switch, convert it to the coax, support a distance 400 meters or even more on coax depending upon your end devices and your level of PoE power. And then we've got the remote device that's receiving the coax and power to power the remote unit and converting it back to Ethernet on twisted pair, which can then be connected to the IP cameras or wireless access points or anything out in that remote location where you might not have easy access to power, but you do have this coax cabling in place that you can utilize.
Great. And then here?
Another new product that allows you to utilize alternative cable types is our IP over 2-wire. So this is in kind of a hardened enclosure, DIN rail mount that you can then convert twisted pair Ethernet over to a 2-wire. And I just have an example of a type of 2-wire reel on display here. But it could be telephone wire, it could be twisted pair, where you could just take 2 strands, or any type of 2-wire that might be in place, maybe in outdoor lamp posts or other equipment where there might be 2 wires available for your IP communications. And so the device is just allowing Ethernet to run over that cabling that, again, might already be in place that customers could utilize to efficiently upgrade their network systems by leveraging that current installed base.
Well, thanks, Kurt, and congratulations to you and Transition on the award.
Thank you very much. We appreciate the recognition, and it's fun to submit some of those innovative ideas.
Absolutely.